Hello friends, today our topic is joint injury. Joint injuries occur at these intersections. Joints are the places in the body where different parts of your skeleton comes together. Introduction, establishment or formal presentation. Joints are the places where two or more bones join together. Means joints are the areas placed or position two or more bones meet each other. Joints in our body helps performing different types of movements. Means joints execute dissimilar kinds or category of change. Joints, depending on its type, may allow for slight movement or no movement at all. Means joints may be controlled on its kinds or category, may permit for small motion or there is complete no motion. Types means kinds or category. Few types of joint injury of our body are as listed below. Few means a small number of kinds or category of joint harm or damage in our physical structure or as marked under immovable joints. Immovable joints allow no movement because the bones at these joints are held securely together by dense collagens, that is known as immovable joints. In immovable joints, bones are united either by cartilages, as in the case of first rib and the sternum, or with saw-like edges, as in the skull. Means immovable joint bones are connected by a tough by flexible tissue that is the main type of connective tissue in the body. As a provision against something happening, the first rib is the most curved and usually the shortest of all the ribs along with the sternum. Sternum is a bone that is located in the middle of your chest. Alternatively, saw-like edges means a hand tool or cutting wood blade, as in the skull is a bony structure that forms the head in vertebrates. Slight movable joints means a slightly movable joint in which there is a fibro cartilage pad between the bones. Two or more bones are held together so slightly that only limited movement is permitted is called slightly movable joint. In slightly movable joints are formed by two surfaces united together by ligaments or ligaments with fibrous cartilage placed in between the bony surfaces, as in the case of joint between the bodies of vertebra. Means slightly movable joint in which there is a fibrocartilage pad between two bones, or fibrocartilages is the tough, very strong tissue found predominantly in the intravertebral discs and at the insertions of ligaments, tendons. Freely movable joints means the entire joint is enclosed inside a membrane filled with lubricating synovial fluid, which helps to provide extra cushioning against impact, is known as freely movable joints. In freely movable joints, the two ends of bones are covered with cartilage and connected by a fibrous capsule. Means freely movable joints, two ends of the bones connected with cartilage and associated with the cells or tissue as that surrounding the kidney and the thyroid. The capsule is lined with synovial membrane which secretes a fluid to lubricate a joint, means a tough membrane that enclosing an organ is covered with lubricating fluid which helps to provide extra freely movement to the joint or bones. Thanks and have a nice day.